thunder embedded in these bright echoes as well. Different story out in the west over Northern Ireland, the western and northern Isles of Scotland. Here it's been dry and pleasantly warm all day long. Really quite nice, but some really heavy rainfall, and that rainfall continuing through tonight and tomorrow as well. It's all coming around this very deep area of low pressure moving through the English Channel, probably a record-breaking low pressure system for this time of the year. It's going to fill up in the next 24 hours as it moves further east, so the strong winds running through the Channel tonight, gale force winds there, will gradually moderate come tomorrow, and no more than a brisk wind really for many parts of the country on Friday. That's the way that we're ending today though. The brightest weather again out in the west. One or two sunny breaks in the southeastern corner, but really it's a pretty wet end to the day and still a chance of some thunder mixed in. And that's the way it's going to be all night long as well. For the north and east of Scotland, especially coming down through much of northern England, into the eastern Midlands, southeast England and East Anglia, more heavy rain to come here. Even in the west, a few showers getting across from time to time. But temperatures quite academic. It's that strong wind blowing through the Channel, which will be quite noteworthy. But the low pressure is still influencing our weather right the way through Friday and Saturday. So for Friday then, for much of the north and east, a pretty miserable start to the day. Some heavy rain still around, very misty on coasts and hills. You need to go into the west for it to brighten up. Bit of sunshine here and there, not that much sunshine, it must be said. And even in the west there'll be a few showers, perhaps the showers becoming more frequent down in this part of southwest England come the end of the afternoon. But very gradually, even across southeast England and East Anglia, you should find it gradually brightening up into the afternoon. Still some showers around, but an improvement on the rather dismal start. Temperatures probably peaking at 20 tomorrow, that's 68 Fahrenheit, down here in sheltered parts of central southern England. Well, there's the low pressure come the start of the week, and the low pressure by then elongated and extending across the northern parts of Scotland. Still quite windy up there too, but we're then watching a new area of low pressure developing down here to the southwest. That will influence the weather, particularly during Sunday across southern parts of Britain. So on Saturday then again a mixture of sunshine and showers across many parts of the country. Some more persistent wet weather hanging on across the far north of Scotland right the way through the day. And then some outbreaks of rain returning to the Channel Islands and the southwest in the afternoon. That wetter weather pushing across